gosh, right here, this is the Apple Watch Ultra. I've been waiting for this. This is going to get the nicer, bigger screen. This is going to have a brighter screen and crazy long 36-hour battery life. And it's got the fast charge too. Boom! Apple Watch. Look at that box right there. Open this up, it's like a little catalog of all the different watches they have. The design, the big activation button. Super duper fancy user manual. Band watch. This is the watch right here. 49mm screen. Titanium case. The boom! Designed by Apple in California. Boom! 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 The Apple Watch Ultra. Ultra orange button right there. And you get the activation button right there. With the titanium case and a nice display. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Turn on. Boom! Apple Watch Ultra. This one's got the extra bright display over the Series 8. It's got a bigger screen, 49mm. It's got cellular, 36-hour battery life with a fast charge. It has a very strong glass because it's titanium case and stronger glass. This thing is solid. Here's my phone. Here's my Apple Watch. It can detect this by bringing it near the phone. Connect. Scan. Your Apple Watch is paired. That's fast. New Apple Watch. Setting up the Apple Watch right now. Let's go. Connecting your Apple Watch Ultra. Bold test. Optimize the charge limit. It's going to connect to our health information. Safety stuff right here. We got cellular service right here. Let's go, Apple Pay. We got the action button. This is a special feature about the Ultra. You have the action button. What do you want the action button to do? I will use it for the waypoint. That's my feature right there. I'm gonna use it as a waypoint activator. You got the depth right here. We got the diving safety information right there. Always on display. App view. Get to know your Apple Watch. This is all the features of the Apple Watch right there. Your Apple Watch is syncing. It's done syncing. That's fast. Welcome to Apple Watch. All right, we're in. Yeah, all these watch faces right here. We got the orange band right here. Check out this beautiful band right here. Alpine loop in orange. Boom, boom. That's nice. So fancy. Our Alpine loop Apple band right here. Lifting out the band. Yeah, that's nice. We got the orange band right here. Here's our Apple Watch band. We're gonna slide it in. See the 3 dots? That's on the top. Slide the 3 dots in right here and clicks in. Solid. The watch band is now clicked in on that side. Nice. Look at that display. Sliding on this other side. You see the 3 dots right there? That goes on top. Sliding in the band. Apple Watch band right here. It's in. We are installed. Check out that buckle right there. So with the orange band. Oh, nice. Let me wear the watch. All right, tighten it down. It fits so well. The Apple Watch Ultra right there. Wrap this around right here and go over here. Oh, wow. The medium band fits me just right. I'm at like the last buckle right here. That's perfect sizing. Buckle in. The Apple Watch is in place. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks so good. The Apple Watch Ultra. Apple Watch Ultra. Let's go. You can raise this to speak Siri on here. It's pretty cool. We can go edit faces. We got the watch face gallery down here. Oh, you have all these watch faces. So many watch faces. We got the portrait ones. We got the activity watch face right there. We got artist watch faces, astronomy watch faces, breathe watch faces. So many watch faces. There's California faces, chronograph faces, chronograph pro faces, the color faces. There's so much right here. You got the contour face, the count up. Very nice. The fire, the GMT face, the infograph face right there, the liquid metal, the lunar face, the emoji face right there. We have our Apple Watch Ultra. This thing's got 49mm display, nice tough titanium case, stronger glass, bigger display, bright display, 36-hour battery life. This thing has the ability to submerge underwater. It's got loud sirens, it's got the waypoints, it's got the extra activation button right here. This is the Apple Watch Ultra for people that want to have the extreme experience. Apple Watch Ultra right here. It fits so well on the wrist. I got the medium-sized band and it fits me just fine. I love the buckle right here. This is a new Alpine loop in orange. Put the buckle on there and it ain't going nowhere. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. The Apple Watch Ultra right there. Oh yeah.